Hello everybody, welcome to my video. So for this assignment I chose to review three websites related to instructional systems design and project management. And the websites I chose were the Learning Guild, Articulate, eLearning Heroes, and eLearning Industry, I'm sorry. So for this video, I've chosen to focus on eLearning Industry, and I chose to focus on that website because I felt that it was most relevant to the course. It's most relevant to the course because it provides relevant information on all of the topics that we have discussed on the course so far. And an example is right here on the main page. So if we just scroll down a little bit, we see an article called The 7 Essentials of Needs Analysis. Now, needs analysis is something that many of us have struggled to figure out how to create, to figure out what needs to be in it. And this article provides that information. So, a quick look. You can see the website is very simple, or the article is very simply organized. It summarizes the advice they give you and then breaks that advice down into 7 essentials for creating an effective needs analysis. So the article provides the information that we need to create effective needs analysis. And this article is kind of symptomatic of all of the articles that you can find on the website. Like all the articles, it's written by industry professionals and provides clear, well-organized, and accessible information on the topics at hand. And this clarity and accessibility is the reason why I chose the website. No matter what topic I looked at, the articles were very easy for me to apply to what we're doing on the course, and also to what I hope to be doing after the course is over. So going back to the articles, there's multiple ways to search for articles. So you can see up here, top left, there's the articles tab. Click on that, choose all articles. We can focus on design and development, instructional design, best practice, that kind of thing. All right. The directory is also very useful. So click on View All Categories. You can see a number of categories relevant to the course: project management software, time tracking software, learning management systems, content providers. All of that is easily accessible from the directory tab as well. However, what I used most when I was exploring this website is the search tab. Okay, and I could easily find articles, for example, on scope creep. Search that for a second. You know, right here, managing the unmanageable, how to avoid scope creep. There's a great article on the topic. It also has great articles on instructional systems. For example, Addy versus Sam came up with a great article there. And if we just searched, for example, for Sam, we would come up with even more articles on the topic. Okay. And lastly, let's look at evaluating and closing projects. Again, how to measure the effectiveness of your learning project, of your learning and design programs, is an excellent article on the topic. Now, that all being said, as it is meant to be a practical and accessible website for working ISD professionals, it's not as academic as some other ones you can find. Okay, it's a little bit light on critical analysis of ISD theories, trends, and challenges, and it's not as thoroughly referenced as some other websites on instructional systems design and project management. So you may need to look a little bit further when doing academic research, But still, it's a very helpful resource for those looking for industry-specific content, those looking for truly academic content, again, may need to look further. Still, it's my favorite. I recommend having a look, especially in these final few weeks as we're working on our final assignment. So, thank you very much, everybody.